Hi everybody, today I will show you how to transfer ownership of a Google form. So let's begin. First, open the Google form you want to transfer, then click on the share icon at the top right and you're going to see this page. Here, simply type in the email address of the person you want to transfer the ownership to. So I will type in this email. Now, after entering the email, click that. Now, you will see a drop-down menu just at the right of the email. Click on it and choose Editor. Now, make sure that you notify the person you're transferring the ownership to and you can click Send. Now, once you click Send, the dialog box will disappear and an email will be sent to that person. Now, click on the share icon again. You can see their email will appear just right here. You'll have to simply click on the drop down after their name and choose Transfer Ownership. Once you click Transfer Ownership, you'll have to click on Send Invitation. Now, once you click Send Invitation, they will receive an invitation email where they'll have to simply navigate to the email and click on the Accept button on the mail received. After they do this, the ownership of that specific Google form will be transferred immediately. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.